It's a big boost to the Indian Air Force's defense system. Indian Air Force explains the importance of integrated theatre command. Theatre command boosts operational efficiency, says the Indian Air Force. Operation Sindoor was just a glimpse, a precursor or a preview. That's a statement that's been made by Air Marshal Ashutosh Dixit on Operation Sindoor, saying it was just a glimpse. Listen in.
It was just a glimpse, maybe a precursor or a preview of what is likely to come in theatre command. See, the thing is that so it will be a theatre ops room on theatre where all the information is coming and the theatre commander is able to take a decision. So for that, we have to have communication which is fail-safe and very fast and among all services. All sensor information, some information and decision support systems. So all these things are being planned and come in. But in Sindoor, what you saw was just a glimpse, and it was possible because we have been working on this integration and jointness initiatives.
I'm going to go across straight to Shivani for more details. The importance of theatre command, I beg your pardon, was what was being stressed upon. Break this down to us. Also talking about the fact that Operation Sindoor was just a precursor, isn't it?
When the Chief of Integrated Defence Staff, Air Marshal Ashutosh Dixit, is saying that this was just a precursor, he means that the way in integration and in a synchronized effort in Operation Sindoor, the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, they all worked, was a precursor of the launch of the theatre commands on which the Indian Armed Forces are working together. When we talk about the integrated defence services, the fact is that there is a process of integration and togetherness, jointness on which these forces are working. And in Operation Sindoor, we saw how there was a communication, perfect coordination between all the three arms, and together they took this operation ahead. And this was the first of its kind operation in which all the three services acted together. So the CISC is saying that this was a precursor, and this is how in future all the three forces will be working together in all the operations.
That's right. This is a significant statement that has been made by Air Marshal Ashutosh Dixit, the Chief of Integrated Defence Staff, talking about Operation Sindoor, a precursor to what theatre commands would look like in the near future. Better synergy is what he stressed upon among the armed forces. This was addressing, in fact, a national security summit. He spoke about the fact that the Air Force will continue to execute the missions in a much better coordination with the Army and the Navy, adding that the effect of each mission and strikes will be multifold, stressing about the fact that Sindoor was just a glimpse of what possibly theatre command would look like, essentially stressing on the synergy where all information would be coming in. Theatre commanders will be able to make decisions, communication will be fail-safe, quick decisions would be taken, and that there's going to be much more planning in that sense. Sindoor was just a glimpse, is what he said. We were working on integration and the jointness initiatives over the last few years. Segregation between force development and force application is what Air Marshal Ashutosh Dixit stressed upon.